First, Miguel. Driving for 2. In and out, wala. Boss Blenke lever. Wala po. Power drive. Subalit, hindi naka. Jake Cyrus. Basket. For 2 points. Boss, ano ba ito ngayon play? Lastrilla for 3. Wala. Rebound. Boss Pom. To Junior Ismali for triple. Basket. Lastrilla. Not intercept. Boss Pom. Receive na. Long rebound. Uy. Plila. Waray. Boss Dan. Dribbling. To. Jik. Quinca. Pull up to basket. Ismali. Junior. Easy to. Answer back. Miguel. Number 3. Turnover. Junior Lever. Uy! Sayang liwat. To play ginausan. Busdan for triple basket. Nice one. Boss Lakaba for 3. Short rebound. Lastrilla. Number 5. Miguel receive the pass. Miguel for 2. Wala. Boss Dinky, Senior, basket. Rapadas, driving. Bank shot, wala. Boss Pom, receive the one. To Mirales, back to Boss Pom. Wala pa rin. Miguel, number 3. Versus Junior Ismali. To Bustan. Uy, sayang po. Ang mga fans ni Jik Cyrus. Oscar. Rapadas. Number 23. Power drive. Basket. Boss Pom. Tira. For triple. Wala. Airball. Hiwi. Lastrilla. For 2. Basket po. Mga idol. Junior, Senior Lever, basket. Easy drive. Jik. Quinca for 2. Basket. Nice one. Jik Quinca. For 2 points. Basket. Bawi. Miguel. To Busdan. Back to Miguel. Driving for layup. Wala po. Sayang. Buspom. To. Uy. Sayang na naman. Busdan. To. Jik. Ay. Nabitawan. Sayang po mga idol. Junior. To Senior Lever. Basket. Busdan, to Jik, Quinca, pull up to basket. Nice one. Woo! Malolupit talaga si Jik Quinca. Upat na tiya score. Upat nga dos. Junior, uy, le, waray. Julius, Lakaba driving, tira. Ismali Junior, wala. Up. Pull up to, wala. Another chance. Put back to basket. Lastrilla to Jik. Uy, sayang. Boss Pom receive the Ball. Basket. Okay, play to. Lastrella to Miguel. Tan Felix. Bustan. Pull up to basket. Junior Ismail for 3. In and out. Wala. Busdan to Lastrella. Versus Lakaba. Step back to basket. Ismail Junior pull up to. Wala po. Rebound Lakaba. Julius wala, malakas. Sayang. Rebound Rapadas. For 2-point basket. Power drive. Kas. Turnover. Stealing by Lastrella. 0-5. Driving. Uy, wala. Sayang. Boss Dinky Leber for 2-point basket. Ripadas driving for 2-point basket. Nice one. Boss Pom Pom versus Jake Cyrus. Wala. Boss Dinky Leber pull up to basket. Lastrella versus Lakaba spinning. For 2. In and out. Wala. Number 23. Driving. Uy. Wala po. Kulang ng hangin. Miguel. Driving. Kinaliwa. Wala. Lastrella the rebound. Versus. Step back to. Wala. Rebound Lakaba. To John Senior Leber for easy 2 basket. Miguel number 3 for 2-point. Wala. Short. Kulang. Ismail Junior to Lakaba. Julius driving number 1 for 2-point. Wala. Rebound is on miss. Another shot. Wala pa rin. Malas. Lastrella the rebound for triple. Down. Wala. Busdan the rebound. Nice one. Busdan. Number 23. Power drive basket. Scoop 2. Busdan versus Boss Pom Pom. Nice drive. Busdan. Step back. Uy, wala. Sayang. Sayang ang drive. Boss Junior Senior. Basket. Lastrella. Uy, sayang. Junior Senior. Wala. Rebound Lastrella. Power drive. Basket. Coast to coast. For 2-point, Buspam! Basket! Miguel, for 3. Wala, rebound. Ripadas, pull 2. Basket. Senior Leber, driving to Buspam. Uy, wala. Ripadas. For 2. Wala po. Sayang. Turnover. Miguel. Pour up. To Jik. Sergos. Basket. Woo! Walang mintes. Rebound. Busdan. Uy, sayang po. Buspom for triple. Wala. Rebound. Boss Dinky John Senior. Basket. Shout out. Mauli na kay Daogan. For 2-point. Wala. Good shot la, good shot. Boss Junior. Boss Pom, wala. Rebound, Boss Danilo Gallardo. Tulestrilla, basket. Skip pa.